Hooked on Florida, the best fish to catch and cook in the Sunshine State. Ah, Florida, where the sun shines brighter, the skies are bluer, and the fish, well, they practically volunteer to jump in your boat. Whether you're casting a line in the salty Atlantic or floating peacefully on a riverbank, Florida's waters are bursting with fish and flavor. And if you're thinking, Margaret, can I really live in a place where fresh fish tacos are a lifestyle? No, honey. The Space Coast isn't just about rocket launches and sandy toes. It's a full-blown fisherman's paradise. So let's dive into the best fish to catch in Florida and where to find them, how to cook them, and why you might want to just drop anchor and call this place home. The top ocean catch, the mighty mahi-mahi, aka dolphin fish. Why it's a big deal. Mahi-mahi is the poster fish for Florida. Offshore fishing, bright, bold, and built for battle. You'll find them off the coast, especially during the warmer months. High summer. These beauties put up a fun fight and reward you with a firm, delicious fillet. Best way to catch it? Head offshore about 200 to 600 feet of water, troll with a ballyhoo or squid, and watch for birds diving. Because where the birds go, the mahi follow. Best way to cook it? Grilled mahi-mahi fish tacos with mango salsa and a drizzle of lime crema. Oh my God! It's fresh, flaky, and flavorful enough to make your taste buds throw a luau. Top river catch? The largemouth bass. Why it's legendary. This one's for freshwater fanatics. The largemouth bass is Florida's official freshwater fish. Yes, that's a thing. And the rivers, lakes, and canals are teeming with them. They're big, bold, and full of spunk. Kind of like your favorite realtor. Best way to catch it? Use live shiners or plastic worms and target shaded banks, lily pads, or underbrush. Early morning or late afternoon is when the bass are feeling frisky. Best way to cook it? Pan-fried bass with herb butter. Simple, savory, and downright southern. Serve it with grits or over a bed of lemony rice and boon, and you've got Florida comfort food at its finest. Bonus favorites? Because we're extra. Snook, inshore superstar, amazing in mangroves and estuaries. Cook it blackened or broiled. Redfish, great for kayak anglers. Cast near oyster beds and cook it on the half shell, skin side down on the grill. Grouper, deep sea beast, baked with lemon, butter, and breadcrumbs. Chefs and grandmas approve. And why you should reel in more than just fish. Florida's Space Coast isn't just a hot spot for fishing. It's a whole lifestyle. From sunrise beach strolls to rocket launches that shake your soul and your selfie, this slice of paradise offers year-round outdoor activities, great schools, charming communities, and, wait for it, no state income tax. Whether you're into fishing, boating, beaching, or simply enjoy fresh seafood without paying restaurant prices, you might want to trade your vacation for a permanent stay. Curious about homes near the water? With plenty of room for your rods? Check out my site at MargarettSellsDreamHomes.com. Want to see the Space Coast in action? My YouTube channel has virtual tours, local hotspots, and more fishy business than a Florida fish fry. Here's that link. You just click on that and come visit me. Final cast-off thought. Whether you're chasing mahi in the big blue or hooking bass by the riverbank, Florida is the place where fish bite and the sunset soon. Why just vacation in paradise when you can live here? Ready to make the move? Let's chat before the next tide rolls in.